Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by identifying where your contacts lived and why they vanished. If you used Google, iCloud, or a phone backup, note the exact account and the timestamp of the last successful sync. This matters. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and plug the device in so the restore won't fail. Make sure you're signed into the correct account on the device. If not, sign in now. These early checks set up a reliable restore path and prevent overwriting recoverable data. Now you perform the actual restore from the source you identified. If it's Google, open Contacts on the Web and Use Restore to roll back to the date before deletion. If it's iCloud, use Settings right arrow account, right arrow restore contacts. For device backups, choose a selective contact restore if available, otherwise restore the full backup. Once you start, do not add or sync new contacts. That can merge and overwrite recoverable entries. Proceed steadily and confirm the restore date before finalizing. Finish by verifying that contacts reappear across devices and the web. You should open your Contacts app, refresh sync, and check several entries. Confirm counts match your backup. If items are still missing, try a different backup date or export/import a vCard from the account web interface. Once verified, re-enable normal sync. If problems persist, clear account sync data and retry the restore or contact the account provider's support. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid further syncs until you've recovered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.